Here is how you can recover your hacked Facebook account. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can apply to recover your hacked Facebook account. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. Then after, search for recover hacked Facebook account. Among the results, you'll find this option to recover your account. Tap on it. Then after, tap on get started. After that, you will have to answer a couple of questions. Select the answers based on your situation. After you have answered the questions, it will suggest you with the possible solutions. Follow the step as said by it. Then after, enter the mobile number that you have used on your Facebook account. After you have entered your phone number, tap on search. Then it will show you the results of the Facebook accounts using your phone number. Among the results, select the profile that is yours and follow the other process. In this way, you can apply to recover your hacked Facebook account. Thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.